Glock 19 Gen 5. Let's see what they talking about.
Hey, fuck that shit up, man.
Let's get to it, you hear me? That motherfucker didn't want to come open for real. Alright, first thing, let's clear it. Yes, this is my everyday kill. Everything, nothing in there. You know what I'm saying? Alright, first off, this junk come with 3 mags, you know what I'm saying? You get your 3 mag 15 round, you know what I'm saying? Whatever come with, you know, some I never use. Clean it brush for the barrel. Also the rod to go, you know what I'm saying, through the barrel. Got 2 backstrap beaver tails. This for people with bigger hands who catch slide bite, but I don't need it, you know what I'm saying? But it's good to have, good to come with it. And a mag loader, you know what I'm saying? Now I know y'all have seen like 100 unboxing videos, but this just a quick unboxing and review. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see my babies. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all like that blue? Y'all like that blue? You know what I'm saying? People that know me will be so surprised that I got one of these, bro. For real. Cause I had a Glock 22 Gen 4, and I had a bad experience with that motherfucker. But it was used, you know what I'm saying? And I couldn't hit nothing with it. It was so I took it to the range, see what was going on, and I couldn't hit nothing with it. Well, I hit the target, you know what I'm saying? But it was just everywhere. I ain't gonna even lie. Or it wasn't even on the paper, you know what I'm saying? But I let somebody else shoot it just to see was it me. I'm like, man, is it me? And he shot it. One of the instructors shot it, and the instructor was like, yo, barrel warp. And me, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't finna put a new barrel in nothing. If it don't function right, I'm selling it. I sold it instantly. So that being said, that was like 2017. I was rolling with Kenny for what? I've been toting the Kenny for, well, the Kenny AC Elite, I've been toting it for about 4 years. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you the truth. My little brother, he convinced me to get this junk. You know what I'm saying? And so I checked it out, like how it felt or whatever. I like, I give him another try. And you know what I'm saying? We finna see what it do. And we'll talk about it after that. See y'all in a minute. Alright. I'm gonna shoot it through the sticky note to see, you know what I'm saying? I'm put 5 on the sticky note, probably at 5 yards, and see what the accuracy like on it. See, can I smack it 5 times? What y'all think? That'd be smart. But, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do 5 more. See, can I put the whole 5 on? First five gonna be like 5 yards. Second five gonna be 7. Gonna see what this look like. So far, I'm in love with this bitch. She accurate for sure. Fuck the rest be 7. Might well kill the whole team. Pull them two right there. But the rest of them, yeah, we gotta, you know what I'm saying? Palm side, we good money. Go in. Well, Glock. Y'all Glocky. Y'all full with it. We back, man. Let's talk about it. You hear me? First off, man, I done feeling love. You hear me? I done feeling love. This my baby right here. Let y'all know we empty. You know what I'm saying? We clear. Man, first of all, the point of aim, like, is there every time. Like, I ain't gotta adjust like that. It's like naturally there with me. You know what I'm saying? And let's talk about the trigger pull, bro. A lot of folks don't like Glock triggers, bro, but I ain't got no problem with this junk, bro. This junk is nice. Now, I'm coming from a Kenny, and if you know Kenny, you know they triggers crazy. And this ain't that far off. I'm gonna keep it 100, not to me. You know what I'm saying? Not to me. All right, I'm gonna let y'all check it out. You see how crisp it is? Man, that junk crisp. Crosp. You feel me? Alright, let me show y'all the regular trigger pull. Show you how that look. Check that out. Sorry. See how crispy it is? Let's do that again. Great. Alright, now I'm finna show y'all the reset. Right there. That ain't no bad trigger, bro. I like it. I like it a lot. What else? What else? Like I said, the way it fit in my hand is like I got a natural point with it. Every time it's there. What else we got? We got 2 slide stops. I don't really care about it. I'm right-handed. The recoil is like 0 to me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about nobody else, but to me, recoil ain't nothing. I'm talking about nothing. I ain't got a, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm coming from mechanic. It got a little more kick than this. It ain't nothing crazy, but it got more kick. This junk is light. And the recoil, like you would think because the pistol is lighter, that it have more recoil, but it got less recoil than my Canon. And man, all in all, this is my baby right here. This is my everyday carry. It's over with. Glock, you did shit. You hear me? Y'all did y'all shit, bro. This junk nice. I'm gonna keep it 100. I can't even stop looking at it, bro. I can't even keep my hands off of it. That's how much I like this stuff, bro. Glock y'all to show out, bro. Y'all cutting up like coupons, bro. So, hopefully y'all like the video, you know what I'm saying? I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And until next time, we're gonna keep them slugs dumping and them shells dropping. All right, get over with y'all next time. Leave me alone, ain't no getting no feeling back. Boogie, all in my motherfucking necklace. I did it myself, had to make them respect her. I told her get lost even.